One of our favorite things to do in Charleston at Christmas time as a family is go to James Island to the Charleston's Festival of Lights. It's put on by the Charleston County Parks. It's at James Island County Park there, so we like to go early in the month of December on a weeknight when it's not too busy. We go over to James Island and we actually eat dinner at Zaxby's because we don't have a Zaxby's here in Mount Pleasant, and then we take Camp Road over to the park. It is $20 per car, and then we go halfway through and then we park. So we let the kids get out. I would advise you to first go and get tickets for the train ride, because that line will back up. So if you go early, get in line, get those tickets. Once you do the train, probably best to do that once it gets dark. Sunset's usually around 5:15 or so, early December. And then while you wait on the best time to take the train, once it's dark, go into the festival itself. Once you get the tickets, there's actually 3 trees that are decorated right there next to the building, and they have buttons that the kids can push to light up the tree with different colors. So that's the first thing I would probably do. Next thing, walking along the trail there is a hut where you can buy tickets for the carousel as well as the climbing wall. So get tickets for the carousel. I think it's 2 tickets per child, and then if you want to stand with them, you can do that for free. And then the climbing wall is 3 tickets per child. So I ended up spending $10 on that for the tickets for each of them. 2 kids, 5 tickets each, 10 tickets. I think it was $10 for that. And also they have it where you can buy stuff to make s'mores and roast those over a fire. You can directly go to the back where there is 2 people usually standing to sign up to talk to Santa Claus. So they will send you a text message, and it will let you know how much time you have until it's your time to get in line to talk to Santa Claus. They'll take a photo. We ended up getting one 5x7 photo, and I think that was like $15 maybe. So we do that every year. Other things we did was walk down the road there. They have these doors that are decorated by all the local schools, so you can check those out. And then if you go further down the road, that other direction away from the carousel, there is a lights display. So there's a light decoration there on the right that is set to music. So that was really cool. And then there's also a lighted up fire truck where kids can push the button and it lights up like it's water. So that's another cool thing. But that's one of our favorite things to do in the month of December, Christmas time here in Charleston. Really highly recommend you do that. It's a fun time.